Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brandon Wilson with Wilson National, and I'm here with Bill DeLong, who has one heck of a 2018 John Deere S780 Combine that he's going to be selling in our March 22nd consignment auction. It has 1,366 engine hours and 940 roughly separator hours there. So he's here to tell you a little bit about it, for you guys to get to know him as well here before the sale. So Bill, really appreciate you meeting me today. First, can you tell me a little bit about yourself, how long you've been farming, and kind of what got you into it?
Yeah, I'm probably third, fourth generation farmer, so it was in my blood. I've been farming all my life here in just in this local area, and enjoy what I do.
You don't know how to do anything else?
Don't know how don't know how to do anything else.
I understand that. Can you tell us a little bit about the Combine? Very well taken care of. Relatively low hours too. Really looking forward to it for the sale. What can you tell me about it?
We bought the machine new in 18, so I'm pretty much the only person that's run it. Have it serviced every year. John Deere does an inspection on it, and we do all the repairs as necessary. Nothing's been run through the machine other than corn and beans, and as far as corn objects, we've never run anything through it. The only problem we've ever had with it was had to put a new def pump on it one time.
Gotcha. Wind's catching up here a little bit. So I had to put a new def pump on it. Otherwise, a really good, nice machine. Works real well. Really excited for it. Like I said, that's March 22nd. There will start at 5 p.m. That's a live auction. You can bid live, you can bid on the phone, or you can bid online through Equipment Facts there. Greatly looking forward to it. Thank you.